Custom Whiteboard Animation by HW Studio. Meet Jack. He needs an explainer video for his business, but he's feeling exhausted because a simple animation requires a lot of extra work. Script writing, storyboards, drawing sequences, music, voiceovers, sound effects, mixing, logos. Then HW Studio comes in. We're providing each and everything related to the explainer videos. Our process starts with the script writing, and this will be done by our professional writers. Then our voiceover artists from all over the world record your script and select the right music for your animation. Then the main phase starts. Our experienced designers convert your script into drawings that will reflect your main idea. Then our animators compile the drawings and finalize the production. And finally, you'll have an eye-catching video that will mesmerize your audience. Thanks for staying with us, and good luck on your video. Order now or message us.